Young brother, listen. I don't know if you realized it yet, but the universe we live in is built on order. There are physical laws, spiritual laws, and man-made laws. And as a man, young or old, if you want to succeed, you need to create your own internal order or structure. And that's why I'm dropping some jewels on you today. 20 rules for men. Now, I don't expect you to agree with everything. That's cool. But I do hope you'll take every rule seriously. And like anything else, apply what's useful, discard what isn't. Because the people who embrace these rules are going to have a definite advantage over the ones who don't. Believe me. Now, let me say this too. Wise men don't brag about what they know, they apply what they know. Don't go around running your mouth telling everybody about the rules and where you got them. Apply them. Wisdom in the hands of fools becomes a weapon of destruction. And people who don't understand these ideas may twist them, misrepresent them, and cause damage to themselves and others. This is between me and you. These rules are for the men who seek them, not the ones who stumble into them accidentally. And since you decide to click on this particular video, I assume you're seeking this knowledge. By the way, I've dropped a link in the description where you can download a digital copy for your records. Now let's get it. Rule number 1, discover your purpose. Find the reason you were put on this earth. Study it, practice it, fulfill it. Use tools like the Myers-Briggs test, the Enneagram test, or your own quiet time and talking with friends to figure out what you are gifted at and the type of personality you have. Rule number 2, start your day with spiritual grounding. Take at least 10 minutes every day. Pray, meditate, visualize, do affirmations. A man with a centered spirit moves powerfully and differently than others. Rule number 3, challenge yourself daily. Being too comfortable makes you weak. Create small challenges in your life to build strength. Walk sometimes instead of driving or taking a cab or public transportation. Wake up earlier than usual. Learn new skills. Read a different type of book. Memorize phone numbers instead of using your cell phone to look them up. Exercise. Don't allow yourself to get too comfortable. Rule number 4, learn to defend yourself. You have a God-given right and a legal right and a common sense right to protect your life. Because your life is the best thing you have. Take a self-defense class, learn martial arts, take firearms training responsibly. Rule number 5, identify and fix your flaws. Identify what's holding you back. Is it your anger? Are you a pathological liar? Are you lazy? Are you inconsistent? You don't finish tasks? Fix it. Look it up. There's books on this. Come over here and talk to Wise OG. I give you some advice. But at the end of the day, men improve themselves. Rule number 6, stop whining and complaining about everything. Complaining solves nothing. Men solve problems. Remember the ancient Chinese proverb, it's far better to light a candle than it is to curse the darkness. Rule number 7, know when to shut the f*** up. A man who talks too much exposes himself, reveals information that's not for everyone to know. A man who's always talking also never has time to listen and to observe. Speak with purpose, not just because you want attention or you just want to say something. Rule number 8, don't be reckless with time, money, or words. Your time, your money, and your mouth shape your life. So spend wisely. Don't waste your money. Save and invest. Use your time to advance yourself. Don't waste your time. And choose your words and your language with intention. Rule number 9, keep your word. Respect and trust depend on consistency, youngin'. If your word means nothing, you mean nothing. Rule number 10, stop talking about what you're going to do and do it. Don't explain, don't pontificate, execute. Manifestation is louder than anything you could possibly say. Rule number 11, don't cooperate with dysfunction. Disorder, disrespect, drama, and chaos should have no place in your life, either coming at you or you contributing to it. Walk away from mess, messy people, and messy situations, particularly if you can't change the temperature. Rule number 12, don't take things personally. Most of what people do has absolutely nothing to do with you. So the clerk at the store that was snappy with you, you don't know what they went through that day. They may have had death in the family, loss of loved one, might be losing their job. Detach emotionally from things like that. Move with clarity. Assume that people don't have like this personal vendetta with you. Rule number 13, don't stress what you cannot control. Put your energy into the things and people that you can influence. Rule number 14, play chess, not checkers. Think long term. Do research. Plan. Move strategically, not emotionally. Always think, if I do this, say this, go here, collaborate with this person, how will that likely end? And is that a good thing for me or a bad thing before you move? Rule number 15, be useful. Wherever you go, add value. Help, support, educate, contribute. Selfish men help to create weak communities. Useful men help to build strong ones. Rule number 16, control yourself and your emotions. Anger, jealousy, pride, and envy have destroyed more men than drugs and liquor. It's very important that men be able to control themselves. Self-control. When confronting something that's angering you, pause, breathe, think, calm down. Don't let people or situations make you lose yourself and wind up in jail or 6 feet under. A man who can't control himself cannot possibly lead others or be successful with much. Rule number 17, build a brotherhood, not a crowd of fools. Your circle should sharpen you, challenge you, and hold you accountable when necessary. So choose brothers and young ladies with integrity, not followers that's going to bring drama and nonsense. Rule number 18, build your financial foundation as early as possible. Before you start chasing behind the women, the parties, trying to get acceptance, trying to belong, to get validation, let me offer you this. Get skills, build your credit, save, invest your money wisely, because this will give you more options, and more options gives you more confidence and more stability. Rule number 19, master the art of listening. Talking, we might say, is what you know. Listening, we might say, is what you learn. Pay attention. Most traps reveal themselves if you're quiet long enough to observe them. Rule number 20, learn to walk away. A man who can't walk away from messy situations or people becomes a slave to his temptations, his emotions, his appetites, or his environment. Have the strength and the discipline to walk away from chaos, disrespect, and situations beneath your standards. Young brother, these 20 rules are not about being perfect. They're about elevating yourself and striving for excellence and striving to be your highest self. They provide guidance for becoming a stronger, sharper, more capable man who moves with purpose, clarity, and power. So study these, apply them, and return to them as you grow. Because a disciplined man, a focused man, a wise man, and a man who lives by principles, by a code, is a man that this world cannot break. And quite honestly, that's the type of man I hope you will be. Like if this hit, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the Wise OG for more grown man wisdom.